Hi everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily diagnose the ghost touch on your Pixel 10 and fix it. So, at first, force restart your Pixel. So, a simple reboot often clears temporary glitches, and if your phone is unresponsive, force restart by holding power and volume up until the logo appears. But to spot the ghost touch, just move your finger almost close to the screen and check if it works. And apart from that, just watch your screen, and if it does something without your finger near here, you have the ghost touch. And to fix this, we have to force restart our phone. Hold the volume up and power button until the Pixel logo appears. As you can see, it takes long. Don't worry. If we see the Pixel logo, we can stop pushing the buttons. But of course, this until logo appears is almost old, so let's maybe stop it right here. Now, as you can see, we have here our Pixel logo. And now let's wait a moment. Now let's turn on our phone, and here now, if we have some issues, we have to move to the next step, but this should fix the issue. Now clean your screen. So take the microfiber cloth and just wipe your screen. Of course, if you have screen protector, remove it. If you have some case that goes into your screen, remove it. I won't remove my screen protector because I need it because this phone is brand new and I don't want to break it, and I know that it doesn't cause the ghost touch, so yeah. Now check if it works, if you have removed your screen protector or if you wiped your screen. Apart from that, check charger cable causing the interference. Ghost touches are notably frequent while charging with subpar cables. Use original certified accessories or test without charging. Apart from that, avoid the extreme temperatures, for example overheating and cold. The second issue might be the software. So, enter the safe mode. To do so, hold the power button volume up, click it, and hold your finger in the power off and tap reboot to safe mode. Here in the safe mode, there are no third-party applications working, and if the ghost touch here disappears, it's likely caused by one of your installed apps. Until then, uninstall them one by one to find the culprit. But wait a moment, we have to boot him in here and unlock our phone. Here, as you can see, we do have safe mode, and here we can check if the ghost touch occurs. I don't have ghost touch actually because I fixed that on my phone a moment ago. So yeah, so I want to show you that it's here. But if you don't have it here, just uninstall the apps one by one to find the culprit. Here, if you do have it, we have to update this system software. But at first, let's exit the safe mode by rebooting our phone. It may take a while, so don't worry. Now our phone is unlocked and ready to go. And unlock your phone. Here, check your system software version. If you have some system update your phone. At first, scroll down to System and tap on the Software Update. Tap System Update. Here, check for update. If you have some apps updates, update your phone. I'm not connected to the internet, so I won't show you this. Here, now you can factory reset your phone, but at first do a backup or inspect your phone for the physical damage. If you have any physical damage on your phone, this is the issue. And that's for this video. Goodbye.